Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5 isn't displaying anything on the screen, it can be concerning. This issue may stem from various causes such as a malfunctioning display cable, a defective screen, or even motherboard problems. If left unchecked, it could lead to further hardware damage or data loss, making timely repair essential. To tackle this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. Let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. It's important to work in a static-free environment to avoid damaging sensitive components. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel of the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5. Take your time to avoid breaking any clips. Once the back panel is removed, locate the display cable, which connects the screen to the motherboard. It's usually found near the hinge area. If you notice any damage to the cable or it appears loose, that's likely your culprit. Carefully disconnect the cable by pulling on the connector, ensuring you don't apply too much force. Next, if the screen itself is damaged, you will need to remove it. Locate the screws holding the display assembly in place. They are typically situated around the edges of the screen. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them, taking care to keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pull the screen away from the bezel. Be cautious while handling it, as you don't want to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, replace the faulty screen with a new one, reversing the removal process. Secure it with the screws you previously took out, ensuring it's firmly in place. Next, reconnect the display cable to the motherboard, making sure it clicks into place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the device. Power it on and check if the display is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips are secured. Finally, tighten any screws that were removed during the process. To prevent this issue from resurfacing, ensure that your laptop is not exposed to excessive heat or moisture, and avoid placing pressure on the screen when transporting the device. Taking care of your laptop can significantly extend its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair, and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.